मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उपसभापति जी,
calling attention to the matter of urgent public importance. Sri Ghulam Nabi Asad.
Honorable Chairman Sahib,
Sri Ghulam Nabi Asad.
we have given a privilege motion. We have given a privilege motion against the HRD minister. The other day, HRD minister misled the House while discussing the issue of Hyderabad University, totally related with Mr. Rohit. And in that regard, the Honorable HRD Minister has misled the nation through this parliament. So we have moved a privilege against her. So I request Honorable Deputy Chairman to accept our privilege against Union HRD Minister. And it is not once she has misled the people of this country, in both the houses, in the Lok Sabha and also in the Rajya Sabha. This is a very, very serious charge against the HRD minister. So all those who are the signatories, they should be heard and the motion should be adopted and accepted.
ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन ने जिस प्रिविलेज मोशन की बात की है, मैं सबसे पहले तो बहुत ही सम्मान के साथ ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन को कहना चाहता हूं कि जो चर्चा, जो बहस हुई थी जेएनयू के मुद्दे पर और हैदराबाद के मुद्दे पर, उसका तथ्यों के साथ, तर्कों के साथ एप्रोप्रिएट जवाब ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ने दिया और आप पूरी तरह से जो बहस हुई उसमें निरुत्तर हो गए। आपके पास कोई तर्क नहीं है। अब जब तर्क नहीं है तो आप उत्तर देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। जहाँ तक सवाल है प्रिविलेज मोशन का, उसकी एक प्रक्रिया होती है, उसका एक नियम होता है, उसकी एक सिस्टम होता है। उसके तहत जो प्रिविलेज मोशन आपने दिया होगा या ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स और हैं उन्होंने दिया होगा, उसके बारे में चेयर डिसाइड करेगी। जहाँ तक सवाल है अभी प्रिविलेज मोशन पर न कोई डिस्कशन हो रहा है, न डिबेट हो रही है। अभी जो भी जवाब ऑनरेबल एचआरडी मिनिस्टर ने दिया है, उस जवाब से आपके पास उस जवाब का उत्तर नहीं है और आप निरुत्तर हो चुके हैं, इसलिए आप जो है वो इस तरह की चीजें कर रहे हैं।
Okay, now let me deal with this. इसके बारे में
In favor of this.
Okay. शरद यादव जी, शरद यादव जी, शरद यादव जी, लाउडर टू द माइक, माइक।
सवाल जो उठाया है गंभीर सवाल है, इसलिए हम सब लोग इसका समर्थन करते हैं और ये जल्दी से जल्दी प्रिविलेज जो है उसको आप स्वीकार करिए और इस देश में जो सब कुछ गलत चल रहा है उसका रास्ता निकालने का काम करिए। एक जो मिनिस्टर है वो किस तरह से गुमराह करता है पूरे सदन को, पूरे देश को। इसलिए हम लोग ये जो इम्पीचमेंट प्रिविलेज मोशन है उसके समर्थन में हर सारे लोग हैं, सब लोग हैं। हो भाइयों,
सारे लोग Ghulam Nabi Asad, regarding the issue raised by you, one minute. Maitriyan ji, Mr. Maitriyan, 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Let me give a ruling. 1 minute for a ruling. No, please. Now, regarding the... Yeah, I heard you. No. issue raised by Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad. Yes, notice has been received. Notice has been received. Privilege motion has been received in the office. Yes, there is a procedure. There is a procedure. We have to comply with that procedure, and therefore the notice is under the consideration of the honorable chairman. Yes, the chair will get back to you on this subject. The chair will get back to you on this subject. Yeah.
I will quote the rule 190, and the second part of 190 says, if objection to leave being granted is taken, the chairman shall request those members who are in favor of the leave be granted to rise in their places, and if not less than 25 members rise accordingly, the chair shall intimate that leave is granted. If less than 25 members rise, the chairman shall inform the members that he has not the leave of the council. So B part, second part of
I know it.
190.
Yes, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, I know it. That is, see, when the chairman allows, if that is being objected to, at that point of time, what you said is applicable. Yes, no. What you said is not applicable now. What you said is applicable. Chairman allows it, but now it is only under the consideration of the chairman. So once the chairman considers it, chair will come back to you about the decision. At that time, what you said will come into force. At that time, we can consider that.
Sir, you can also hear the other signatories.
Over.
So you can hear the other signatories.
That is over.
One thing, sir.
Yeah.
सर डिफीट में डिफीटेड लोग
That is under.
डिफीट में डिफीटेड लोग जो है वो प्रिविलेज के माध्यम से अगर किसी की आवाज दबाना चाहते हैं तो ये ठीक
No,
है.
chairman will decide. Forget.
As far as the
Nakwi ji.
point of order is concerned, rule 190 बहुत क्लियर कट है सर कि अगर चेयर सेटिस्फाइड होगी तो उसको अलाउ करेगी. उसमें बीच में उसमें डिस्कशन या डिबेट नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि
I already gave the ruling. Now, Mr. Minister, I gave already the ruling that nothing will be taken up now. The privilege motion is under consideration of the chairman.
It's all right.
He will consider it. And after that, after a decision is taken, we will come back to the house.
It's all right.
So now I will take up the calling attention motion. Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad, calling attention motion. Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad.
Sir, first of all, you have to
Call the attention of the minister.
Sir, how can we discuss in this atmosphere? Sir, there has to be an order in the house. Sir, there has to be an order in the house. Sir, this is organized by the ruling party. This is being organized by the ruling party so that we don't discuss this. My charge is that this is being organized by the ruling party so that we don't discuss it.
सर ये डिबेट से डिबेट के डिप्रेशन में और डिबेट के बीच में डिप्रेशन में इस तरह की बात हो रही है और नो सर नो
Statement may be distributed.
we also want
Distribute the statement. Yes, you read. Mr. Minister.
स्टेटमेंट नहीं आया सर.
Statement नहीं आया. No statement. No statement. Statement. Statement.
सर अभी उन्होंने कहा वो जिसको कह रहे हैं कि पहले हाउस ऑर्डर में आना चाहिए. He is saying कि before house should be in order, otherwise he will not raise this issue. Calling attention. This is the issue.
This is a very
He is
serious
not ready
issue.
to.
How can this be discussed?
How can we
How
discuss?
can this be discussed? Such a serious issue cannot be discussed like this. Such a serious discussion Such a serious issue cannot be discussed like this. This is deliberate attempt on the part of AIDMK. This is deliberate attempt on the part of AIDMK, so that we don't discuss. We don't have the privilege motion against the minister, and we don't discuss the organization.
What are you doing?
This is deliberate.
What are you doing? Why do you want to do this?
Otherwise, never before. The AIDMK did like this.
अगर आपको
This is deliberate.
में आपकी डिफीट हो गई है तो आप दोबारा डिबेट कर लीजिए। आप जब डिबेट करेंगे तब आपकी डिफीट होगी।
Very bad. Very bad. Why do you shout like this? I have already told, if you have complained about any individual, you can approach the government for appropriate action. The chair is helpless in this matter. What the chair can do in this matter? Why do you take the house to your ransom? Why do you do this? Why do you object the proceedings of the house? From the morning you are doing it. You are behaving in the most irresponsible way. Most irresponsible way. You are talking about a complaint against a former minister. Let the government take action. I have no objection. It is for the government. Why do you disturb the proceedings of the house? Mr. Navadita Krishnan, this is very bad on your part. It's a murder of democracy, I am telling you. Very bad. Whether former minister or any individual, government can take action. You ask the government, go to the government. Why do you trouble here? What can I do? What are you doing? Mr. Maitriyan, I am not going to adjourn. You shout, I am not going to adjourn. You shout, I am not going to adjourn. I am not going to adjourn. Yeah. Yes. Let the country see what is happening. Let the entire country see what is happening. They are called Navadita Krishnan. What is this? What is Maitriyan? Behave like a gentleman. You are shouting and howling. What are you doing, your people? House is adjourned up to 3 p.m. Adjourned up to 3 p.m.